people who are considering a facelift, whether it's a full or a mini or what have you, are very concerned about looking overpulled or overdone, right? That fear is becoming lesser in the last few years because there's a lot of better outcomes out there and celebrities and whatnot. But every time I suggest a facelift to anyone, they're always immediately, yeah, but, and then they think of their most horrible, celebrity outcome. There are three things you need to know in order to avoid looking overpulled. Number one is that modern day facelifts do not rely on pulling of the skin, but rather pulling of the deeper tissues known as the SMAS, S-M-A-S, or for all intents and purposes, the muscles. In other words, you put the tension on the muscles and you allow the skin to sit very neutral. The second issue is not to pull and remove too much skin. Remember, in surgery, I can pull and pull and pull and remove as much as I want, but obviously that skin can then pull back and create that really tethered look. And the last is to make sure that you use the correct vector when you do a facelift. In other words, do I pull like this? Do I pull like this? Or do I pull like this? So the directionality that you're moving makes a big deal so you don't get one of those swept looks that so many people see in the older generation. So those are the three things you want to make sure to avoid in order not to get that over pulled look.